Welcome to the channel. Hope you guys enjoy.
Arriving
De
at our
Butler, Eduardo.
hotel.
Okay.
Awesome.
So I opted for a 1-bedroom room, which means that I got a dining table with 4 chairs and then this little bar area with 3 bar stools. Also, the room comes with a full-size refrigerator, so that was awesome. And in the refrigerator, they had it stocked with some beverages, typical soda, water, and beer. Also, you get a microwave in here, a full-size sink, and a little stovetop, and then the beverage area where you can make your tea, your coffee, and have some more water. Also, the little living room area, so that was nice. I think the couch became another bed. I can't remember. Then we have the bedroom, and in the bedroom you had a king-size bed, and they also provided some wipes and I think just some cleaning stuff due to COVID season. We got in late in the evening, so we head straight out to dinner, and this was just a cute little area where you could eat. It was really nice, and the food was interesting but good. The next morning, got up, had breakfast, had a green juice, an orange juice, got some fruit, and it was buffet style, so I had some pancakes afterward. Then we went and hung out by the pool. There are a lot of pool options, adults only pools, as well as pools for families. There is a lot of wildlife at this resort, so just be prepared. So on the resort, there was a pig, and there were also something called cotis or coties, I'm not sure how to say it, as well as the monkeys, of course. bathroom was decorated really nice. It is a very immaculate space. They also brought me a mimosa to have during my spa session. They also had a section set up where you could get your tea, coffee, or water, any kind of beverages you kind of wanted. And then of course the lounge chairs for you to sit down in. I did the hydrotherapy session, so I went into the sauna first. And then of course you have the two pools. So you have the hot pool and the cold pool and the showers. It was a great experience. Here's another pool. Like I said, they have a lot of pool options at the resort. This is a restaurant that is by the beach on the resort. The pool area right in front of it. So this resort does have beach access, which is great. A lot of the days we were there, I think it had a red flag, so we didn't go on the beach often. But overall, it was a great trip and hope to go back. Thanks for watching.